Hello, Suzamin. Welcome to the YouTube channel Language Lover. So, in today's video, we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in German language. So, in today's video, we are going to discuss how to introduce yourself in formal way. So today's video is about introducing yourself, Sich Vorstellung, in formal language. So without wasting time, let's get started. Frage: Wie heißen Sie? Antwort: Ich heiße Ria Sharma. So, Frage means question and Antwort means answer. So, if you want to ask someone about his or her name, you will say Wie heißen Sie? And for replying, you will say Ich heiße your name Ria Sharma. Frage: Was ist Ihr Vorname? Antwort: Mein Vorname ist Ria. So, if you want to ask someone about his or her first name, you will ask, What is your first name? Was ist Ihr Vorname? And for replying to the situation, you will say, Mein Vorname ist your name, first name, Ria. Please repeat after me. Frage: Wo wohnen Sie? Ich wohne in Berlin. So, if you want to ask someone where do you live, you will say Wo wohnen Sie? And for replying to the situation, you will say Ich wohne in Dash, Berlin. Frage: Woher kommen Sie? Antwort: Ich komme aus Deutschland. If you want to ask someone where are you came from, you will say Woher kommen Sie? And for replying to the situation, you can say Ich komme aus Deutschland, or whatever country you came from, you can write that. Deutschland ist Germany. Frage: Welche Sprachen können Sie? Antwort: Ich kann Englisch, Französisch und ein bisschen Deutsch. So if someone asks you what languages do you speak, then you can answer Ich kann Englisch, Französisch und ein bisschen Deutsch. Whatever languages you can speak, you can answer that. I had wrote 3 languages: English, Französisch, French und ein bisschen Deutsch, a little German. Please repeat after me. Now that completes our question. Now I had wrote some words to remember. Number 1, Frage. Frage means question. Number 2, Antwort. Antwort means answer. Number 3, Heißen. Heißen means to be called. Number 4, Fornam. Fornam means first name. Number 5, Common. Common means come. Number 6, Sprachen. Sprachen means to speak. That completes our video. Hope you understand the pronunciation and the words. If anything is not clear, you can comment below. Wie heißen Sie? Bitte antworten Sie in die Kommentare. Please answer the question that I had asked in the comment box. So if this video is good or you find it helpful, then you can like the video and also subscribe this channel.